had session. Every breathing, just wheezing, head bleeding, left sleeping on the ground. Next weekend, same shit when I'm out. The best threesomes, Hennessy with the loud. Just recently, 2 freaks at the house. 2 Jesus, I'm out, that fucking ain't me nose. Got a smorgasbord of drugs, spewing in my mo. On tour with the lads, she got left behind her home.
Hey yo, fuck it, that's the subject matter. It's that usual suspect that cut dimes, but I cut checks, so it don't matter. Cold sagger, soul snatcher. Still a dive when I toe tag ya. So ratchet, that jack shit from TK Maxx shit. Don't jacket, stone, don't match it. On the rock and roll, on the road. Why your my soul slides, all I wanna know.